All right, you've gotten the book in the black and you've been reading along and following along with these discussions that we've been having. So here's what I'd like to do is a quick summary of where we are so far. Essentially what we've been looking at is what it is you can do to map your business and bring it to the point where it's generating profit. Now, obviously, as you're doing this, you're focusing on the marketing, the accounting, and production elements of your company. So what we want to do now is actually just do a quick pause and recap something that some of the things that you've been looking at so that you can understand their relevance. The whole idea here is that as you're running the business, you're wearing a multiple or a variety of hats. And these hats are obviously oftentimes a distraction from what needs to be done, which is first and foremost, nothing happens until you make a sale. Regardless of how good of an accountant, bookkeeper, or tax preparer you are, if you're not out there actually getting new clients or having clients, who cares? So what we want to do is focus on these 9 principles. And as part of that process, one of the things that brings us to is the wisdom pyramid. This pyramid here is very critical because what it does is it helps us understand the flow of information, enabling us to become basically knowledgeable and have wisdom in running our companies. Now, this whole process of using the wisdom pyramid to be successful in your practices is very key. I trust that you'll focus on that in the chapter. But to begin this process, what we need to be doing is collecting first and foremost data. The data is at the very bottom, the base, the foundation of this wisdom pyramid. And unless you're collecting that data, you're not getting the information you need to then learn from. And so one of the things that we want to stress here is getting first and foremost your business score. Your business score will essentially show you the 8 areas in which your company is basically working that are basically building the value in your company to determine the worth of your business. And so what we want to do is give you your business score, get that first and foremost today, so that as you grow the company and you emphasize these things in the coming weeks and months, you'll be able to actually see how the company is evolving and improving so that you can actually have this quantitative benchmark. So one of the things that I want you to do at this point now is just take a moment and go get your business score. It literally will take you 15 minutes. And in those 15 minutes, I'm sure you're going to learn a number of things that are insightful to you building a very successful accounting, bookkeeping, or tax practice. Just understand this. If it's about accounting, it's universal. And building a successful business is universal. So this is what we're actually doing, is helping you become the premier accounting service in your market and getting paid what you're worth, essentially as a profit and growth expert. So realize this, we're here to help you. The coaches are there to assist you. You don't need to do this alone. There's no reason to be in business by yourself. You can do it for yourself and actually be successful with the assistance of the coaches that we offer. So there's a tried and proven method. There's no reason to try and reinvent the wheel. So make the most of this. Go get your business score now and realize this. Universal has been around since 1979 to help you succeed and get paid what you're worth, and that's what we're excited to do. So take care, and let's look forward to the next discussion.